confirmation of rationality. All right. Now, yesterday, Holy Spirit kept repeating in the spirit. I kept hearing, a time to be born and a time to die. And I was just like, what is that? Ecclesiastes, like 3? And I was like, he just kept repeating it. So I opened it up. And I'm like, oh, snaps, watch out, that boy get better with his memorizing his scriptures. All right. And so he kept ministering to me. And I just could not stop looking at this. Okay. And so he started making me write down things. All right. And I'm not sure if you remember, English Lit in high school was my favorite class, one of my favorite classes. And one of the favorite parts was Shakespearean, right? So the Bible is kind of, lingo is kind of similar, if not identical for the most part. The context is very, very different and grim, but for the Shakespearean stuff, right? So that's not of the kingdom, but but God uses, bad turns it for good. So Holy Spirit was ministering to me in terms of patterns. So the reason I bring this up, because Shakespearean sonnets has a certain pattern in how it repeats. Okay, and God uses repeats, right? So I have 3 scriptures. Okay, in the spirit, I heard God say, 4 winds of God test. That's what I heard. Holy Spirit confirmation on that. And then I started getting biblical stuff, confirmations. Numbers 15:31 through 41, the 4 corners. The second reference, salt and light of the earth, Matthew 5:13 through 20. Okay, now that one's we should be familiar with. All right, and then the 4 corners of righteousness, expectation from God, #judgment. Okay, this is EZ7. Okay, now in this still picture are going to be colors. Each color represents to the 4 corners of how God tests, and these will be the parameters of what you can expect and how the contrary winds will move in any single test. Now you say you don't know if he tests. He gives multiple tests at one time, 4 to be exact. You better pray a confirmation on this. All right. Your boy better not fail, because you got the cheat code. God, what did we say this first time with Holy Spirit confirmation? This has been decoded in this manner. God tests by 4. Can you find them? If not, idle is present.